at the sound of dollars just foaming out of my account. Huh? I feel like it's like some kind of nuclear rod. Alright. You know what they did? They finally did this so I don't have to use a knife to cut the stuff on the bottom. It didn't rip even though.
Mine didn't rip even.
That's it. I want my money back.
Yeah, exactly. Poor design.
That experience was not
Poor design.
Was not as edition as it could.
Listen to that sound. It gave you sound. Crinkle.
Yes, crinkles. Oh. Right, there's safety tabs.
Is an engineer.
There's safety tabs, I guess. Oh.
You must have not gotten an Apple Watch in a while because they've had this design for a while.
Have they?
Yes.
Well, I saw.
Well, the 4 had this at least.
So there, I got the. So this is the ceramic box, and this is just the the metal strap box. So yeah, I'd say this is the one that matters. And okay, here we go.
Oh, again.
Satisfaction.
You're like a kid watching those slime videos. Oh, the sound, the sound.
All right, so well, here's the old one. This is a non-red ring edition. It's probably the only one.
Gen 2, right?
Gen 2, yeah. And here is the new one. That's a decent size bigger, even just in the body size.
You mean in the thickness too, beyond the 44 to 42?
Well, that's a good question. Let's see.
Because yours was a 42, right?
So look, it looks like it's more thin, but I'm not sure it actually is. But it certainly looks it, right?
Mm-hmm. Certainly looks it.
I got less for my money.
Yeah.
I'm not sure which is prettier on the bottom. They're different. This one's clearly doing a lot
less
more.
white.
And so yeah, this is this side. It's interesting. This has a little, I guess that's the speaker pinhole is in a different place on this. The tops are pretty, vanilla. Oh yeah, I see. So one of the pinholes used to be here on this side for the speakers. Otherwise, looks like an Apple Watch. All right. And I'm not sure what's in here. Probably just. Oh, they give you one plain. That's good to know.
Yeah, they give you a white one too.
Yeah, that's nice.
We'll just do with that, maybe,
maybe.
White on white?
That's interesting that you get 2 straps with the edition.
Oh, that's interesting.
And the charger and still the old 5. Yeah. Huh, I didn't expect to get that. That's nice. All right. Little felt hat for the watch.
Which I'll never use again.
And this is the 40. It's funny, they still label it as 42 millimeter.
Yeah, because it works on the 42s, right?
Yeah.
So does that mean that hasn't changed?
None of the. I don't think any of the straps have changed. That's why this is more rounded. It's more rounded because it's the only way to make the old 42 stuff still work with it, right? And increasing the watch face to 44. I think that's why. Well, maybe it's not. All right, here we go. Ooh, what's that?
Yeah, what is that? Cleaning cloth of some kind?
I guess. How do you get to it? Unless you're supposed to mush it out of here?
Pull it out of there.
I guess so.
Ah, what's that? Oh, it's like a little holder or something.
Oh, it's probably for the extra.
The extra piece you don't use?
Yeah, the extra steel links.
If you take them out?
Yeah, and then this is got some plasticky stuff. Because that's totally necessary.
Oh, so I see. It gives you some instruction on how to remove all that.
Oh, the extra links. Well, let's just. And then there's a plastic piece here.
Very delicate. Let's hope it's not made of chocolate like some other things.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm not sure which is the top and which is the bottom, but let's just go with this. Wow, the metal on ceramic is not a comforting, grindy feeling. It's like
Crunch.
Yeah, interesting. All right. Oh wow, and
I can tell you this. I think I'm going to dig the white on white better.
you might be right. Wow. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Yeah, whenever you feel like you're forcing it.
Well, I'm not sure how else you do it. It's a good question.
I think you got to angle that a little more.
Yeah, the thing is, it doesn't want to angle. Oh, I see, like that. You mean? Wow. Yeah, this is asking for something.
Look at the other side. No, clearly not like that.
Yeah. Well, that's even worse on there.
Maybe it's just to go the other way.
I think. Gosh, you know what?
Take it off the other side.
Hold on. You know what? Yeah, I think you have to do this simultaneously.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't really have
It
any.
doesn't bend, so you got to do this.
Right,
Yeah, there we go. That's the trick. All right,
Wow.
I failed the IQ test. All right.
It's alive. Number 5 is alive.
Yeah, this is going to be too big, I think, but
You think?
yeah,
It's like made for your thigh. Look at that thing.
yeah. Oops. I'm not even sure how. There we go. So,
It's pretty.
yeah.
Feels like a workout.
Yeah, the real question is, I'm not sure how grabby, this will be on the hairs and stuff. Steel is
Yeah.
notoriously.
So, why don't you put these both in hand by hand and tell me which one weighs a little more? Well, you got a non-metal.
Yeah, with the metal, this clearly weighs more.
So that's your dress watch.
Yeah, I guess so. We'll see how the strap works. It's kind
There you
of.
go.
It's kind of astronaut-y.
Yes.
I don't know. It's an interesting combo.
All right.
There we go. The addition. Money blown at a faster rate.